Our Fleetwood Console Table comes with these contents. These are the tools that you'll need. First, lay the planks on the floor with the logos facing upwards. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Then attach the shelf plank between the two legs using the bolts and Allen key provided. If needed, screw the height adjustable feet into the bottom of the legs. Place the leg frame with shelf upside down on top of the table planks, making sure to centralize the frame within the width and length of the console table. Drill pilot holes through the leg frame into the planks, then fix in place using the screws provided. Repeat for the other side of the frame. Take care turning over your table. Now style and enjoy!